Exams. Nobody really enjoys the exams. They bring a lot of fear, worry, not just to the students, but also to their parents. Just before the exams, as both the students and the parents panic, the result is stress, pressure, and anxiety, right? Not just that, but a feeling of self-doubt creeps in. What if I'm not able to remember everything right? What if I go blank during the exams? What if I don't reach my goal of my marks for the boards? And the list is endless. So, the major task is how to allot time for each subject to study. What exactly to study from each subject? And lastly, when should I study so that enough time can be given to each subject? In short, a time management for the board exam is required to remove this confusion. A smart planning of self-study time will be of great help during the exams. Most of the students do revise most of the syllabus during the study leave, and also they have notes of important topics of the different subjects. First thing you should do is to look at your exam timetable. Look at the study leaves before the papers. It will give you a fair idea about rough planning of your time management for each subject. So, on the previous day of the exam, go through the entire syllabus looking for the markings for objective questions, give reason why type of questions, the learning type of questions, etc. Make sure to evaluate for yourself about the difficulty level of the topics. If the topics are too tough, spend a little more time on it. I cannot tell you how much time should be spent on each topic, as each one has different learning pattern. So you decide whether you would divide your time slots into 20 minutes followed by a 5-minute break, or slots of 45 minutes followed by a 10-minute break. Make sure that during the break you do not watch TV or play video games. They will tire your eye muscles and not help for your effective learning. Instead, focus on some distant object, preferably a tree or something, which will soothe your eyes, okay? Also, eat healthy food, avoid fatty or oily foods. Make sure to keep your immunity high. Have a good amount of sleep. A well-rested body is a powerhouse of energy. Take adequate breaks between your study slots to avoid supersaturation of your brain and being burnt out. On the day of the exam, make sure that you had 7 to 8 hours of sleep so you are well rested. Pray and commit your exam and your day to God, asking God for wisdom. Have proper breakfast and lunch depending upon the time of your examination. Make sure that you have no hunger pangs during the examinations, or else they will distract you. Go through the highlighted important notes and memorize all the important tips and tricks given by your teachers and mentors. Be calm and go for your exam with your parents' blessings. Write the best answers you can, and may God's favor be upon your work. Lastly, remember that each one of you is precious. Do the best you can. Even if you get marks below your expectation, God will navigate your path to a different successful destination. So all the best for your exams. Do well. Bye.